One whale is larger than a Boeing 737. One can dive deeper than most submarines. One hunts with incredible teamwork. One can live for more than 200 years. And one has a giant spiral tusk sticking straight out of its head. These aren't monsters from the deep. They're real animals, and some of them are among the most extraordinary creatures ever to live. From the freezing Arctic to the deepest parts of the ocean. Let's meet 10 whales that will completely change the way you see them. 1. Blue whale. This is the largest animal ever known to exist. The blue whale. Not just the largest whale, the largest animal. Some can reach more than 30 meters long and weigh well over 100 tons. Its heart alone can weigh hundreds of kilograms. But here's the strange part. Despite being enormous, the blue whale doesn't hunt giant animals. It eats tiny krill. During feeding season, one whale can consume several tons of them in a single day. It simply opens its massive mouth, takes in an enormous volume of water, and filters the tiny creatures out. The biggest animal on Earth survives on some of the smallest. Sperm whale. Now go deeper. Much deeper. The sperm whale is one of the deepest diving mammals on Earth. It can descend more than 2,000 meters beneath the surface, into a world where sunlight barely exists. And down there, it's hunting. Its favorite target is squid, including enormous deep-sea squid. Sperm whales can hold their breath for well over an hour during extreme dives. They also use powerful clicks to navigate and locate prey in complete darkness. Imagine descending into an ocean where you can't see your own hand, and hunting something you can't see either. The sperm whale doesn't need light. It has sound. Orca. Technically, the orca is the largest member of the dolphin family. But don't let the name fool you. This is one of the ocean's most dangerous predators. Orcas hunt in highly coordinated groups. Fish, seals, sharks, dolphins, even other whales. Different populations can develop completely different hunting strategies. Some create waves to wash seals off ice. Others work together to surround schools of fish. And some attack large whales as a team. They're also extremely intelligent, with complex communication and strong social bonds. The ocean has plenty of powerful animals, but very few can combine intelligence, speed, and teamwork, like an orca. Humpback whale. Now meet the whale that refuses to act like a whale. The humpback. These giants are famous for breaching, sometimes launching their entire bodies out of the water. But their strangest weapon isn't their size. It's teamwork. Some humpbacks use a technique called bubble net feeding. A group dives beneath a school of fish, then releases bubbles in a rising wall. The fish become trapped inside the shrinking circle. Then the whales swim upward together, mouths wide open, and swallow hundreds of fish at once. And then there's the singing. Male humpbacks produce complex songs, sometimes lasting for hours. A giant animal, communicating through an ocean that can stretch for thousands of kilometers. Fin whale. The fin whale looks almost like a streamlined version of the blue whale, and it's huge. It can reach around 25 meters long, yet it's built for speed. Fin whales have been recorded moving at roughly 35 kilometers per hour. That's why they're sometimes called the greyhounds of the sea. But their size doesn't stop them from being surprisingly agile. They can accelerate quickly, change direction, and travel enormous distances through open ocean. Their feeding strategy is similar to other baleen whales. Swim toward a massive concentration of prey, open the mouth, and filter. A whale weighing tens of tons, moving through the ocean like a racing machine. Bowhead whale. Now travel north, into the freezing Arctic. This is where the bowhead whale survives. And this whale has something almost unbelievable. It can live for more than 200 years. Some individuals alive today may have been born before modern technologies existed. Bowheads also have enormous skulls, strong enough to break through thick sea ice from below. Their bodies are built for the Arctic. A massive layer of blubber protects them from freezing temperatures. And unlike many whales, they spend much of their lives in polar waters. For centuries, they've survived one of Earth's harshest environments. The ocean changes. The ice moves. Generations of humans come and go. The bowhead keeps swimming. Narwhal. This one looks like it escaped from a legend. The narwhal, a small Arctic whale with a giant spiral tusk. That tusk can grow several meters long. And here's the surprising part. It's actually an elongated tooth, most famously seen in males. The tusk contains millions of nerve endings. Scientists believe it may play roles in sensing the environment, social interactions, and displays between males. Narwhals spend much of their lives beneath Arctic ice, diving into dark, freezing water. They look almost mythical. But the real animal is stranger than the legend. The unicorn of the sea is real. Beluga whale. If the narwhal looks mythical, the beluga looks almost unreal. It's completely white. It has no dorsal fin, and it can make an incredible variety of sounds: clicks, whistles, chirps, and other high-pitched calls. That's why belugas are sometimes called the canaries of the sea. Their flexible necks also make them unusual among whales. They can turn their heads far more than most other cetaceans. Belugas live mainly in Arctic and subarctic waters, where they navigate between sea ice, rivers, and coastal areas. They may look friendly, but beneath that strange white appearance is a highly specialized Arctic predator, gray whale. The gray whale doesn't have the largest body. It doesn't have the biggest teeth. And it isn't the fastest, but it has something extraordinary: distance. Gray whales make one of the longest migrations of any mammal. Some travel thousands of kilometers between feeding grounds and breeding areas. They spend summers feeding in cold northern waters, then migrate toward warmer regions to reproduce. And unlike many whales, they often feed along the ocean floor. They suck up sediment, then filter out small animals living inside it. It's an ancient strategy for an ancient animal, a whale that crosses entire oceans, just to complete one of nature's longest journeys. Minke Whale. Finally, meet one of the smaller baleen whales, the Minke Whale. Compared with a blue whale, it's almost tiny. But don't underestimate it. Minke whales are fast, agile, and surprisingly difficult to study. They can suddenly appear at the surface, take a few breaths, and disappear again before you know what happened. Some can reach around 10 meters long, yet they move with incredible efficiency. They feed on small fish, krill, and other tiny marine animals. The minke doesn't need to be the biggest. It survives by being fast, efficient, and difficult to catch. Sometimes being small is its advantage. Ending: 10 whales. One is the largest animal ever known. One hunts thousands of meters beneath the surface. One can take down other whales. One sings. One can live for more than 2 centuries. One has a giant tooth that looks like a unicorn's horn. And all of them survive in an ocean that covers most of our planet. But here's the question. If you could safely spend one day beside just one of these whales, which would you choose? The massive blue whale? The intelligent orca? The mysterious sperm whale? Or the legendary narwhal? Tell me your choice in the comments. And if you want to discover more animals that sound completely impossible, but are actually real, there's plenty more waiting in the next video.